If you have installed third-party, aftermarket, or refilled ink cartridges into your printer, the ink cartridge's smart chips might not be recognized. You may observe low ink or ink may have run out error messages, along with red X messages or flashing red lights above each cartridge. The ink level indicator may falsely report actual ink level condition. To bypass the displayed computer or printer error messages, you will need to reset the printer to enable the new cartridges. Press OK, Yes, or Close to dismiss error alerts. If the power or low ink indicator light blinks and the printer stops printing, along with displayed error codes 1600, 1683, 1688, do not select Cancel Printing. To reset the printer, press the Stop Resume button, which has a circle with a triangle inside of it, at either the computer's window prompt and/or on the printer's control panel for 5 to 8 seconds until the low ink indicator extinguishes. Power light goes off and/or the printer resumes printing. After the low ink, empty, or other error messages are bypassed, ink tracking may return to normal and printing operations may resume. Please note that the ink levels may appear grayed out. This is completely normal when using aftermarket or refilled ink cartridges. Continue to print until quality fades. Activate the printer's self-test or print quality pattern to check color output and general ink jetting performance. If poor quality is observed, the ink cartridge may need to be replaced or printhead cleaning may need to be performed. White streaks or lines may be visible in documents or photos. Sometimes general cleaning may not be enough. A deep cleaning action may be required. Note: leaving cartridges uninstalled for long periods of time will dry out the printhead. Immediately replace cartridges to protect printhead performance. The internal printhead is responsible for ink jetting, and it may need to have the bottom or lower surface cleaned with several damp towels in order to recover all colors. Printing a couple times a week will ensure proper black and color ink jetting and overall print performance over the life of the printer. For advanced printer troubleshooting and recovery tips, please refer to my other support videos.